everybody, John Magee here, Magee Design, here with Loudoun Wildlife Conservancy, and we're here at Tippecanoe Lake in Ashburn Village talking about the pollinator gardens that we did here. So what we have here is a mix of woodies and herbaceous plants. We have some buttonbush in the back here, which is Cephalanthus occidentalis. Occidentalis means globular, and you can see their flowers are very round. This to me is one of the key indicator plants for pollinators. I get calls every year of people saying, you know, hey, I don't have any pollinators, I don't have any pollinators. Wait until this plant starts blooming. And then you'll start to see zebra swallowtails, monarchs, all these different plants that, all these different pollinators that did not overwinter here. You know, in the early spring you'll get zebra swallowtails and question marks and different pollinators that will overwinter in the north. But many of our pollinators migrate south for the winter time, and so it takes them a little while to get back here. Today's June 18th that we're taping this, and we've had a really cool spring, and so we're not seeing the numbers of pollinators yet that we normally do, but as you can see, this is about to flower, and we're probably going to have a ton of pollinators here next week, all over these plants. And so down below we've got some purple coneflower, Echinacea purpurea, and you know, it's a very common plant that you can find in any retail center. People like it because of the coneflowers that it produces and the pretty purple. Again, kind of the perfect flower for a pollinator to land on, especially butterflies. They really love the plant. We've got some Culver's root here, which is Veronicastrum virginicum, and it's another really nice plant. Not as common as the purple coneflower in the trade, but something I would highly recommend adding to any pollinator garden.
And that does well in both moist or drier conditions, the Culver's root?
Culver's root does really well in moist conditions, preferably moist conditions, but as you can see here, it's planted on a slope and a hillside, so this gets really dry in the middle of summer, and they do fine. But again, they have a really deep root on them, and so they help with soil stabilization and other things as well. So.